Our group's project was to examine pictures drawn by children and analyze what we think he or she was drawing. We went to the Children's Center on campus and asked a 4-year-old girl to draw us some pictures. She seemed nervous and asked us if she could draw us as our pictures. We all agreed because she seemed so nervous. We could not get permission to film her while she was drawing these pictures, though. And that was our experiment, and here is our analysis of the children's drawings. The first thing I noticed is that in each of the pictures they lack gender. For instance, Nikki doesn't have long hair that a girl would usually have in a picture. I'm thinking that maybe she drew us without gender because she's at such a young age that she doesn't necessarily see the differences in the genders yet, and maybe she will learn these with time. Also, I noticed that there are 2 separate pictures of each of us. Maybe she was drawing just a headshot in one of the pictures, and then drew a full body picture in the other pictures.
And also when she was drawing, she kept looking at us, so we all assumed that she was drawing us, because she never really told us what she was drawing. Or if she was just nervous and scared of 3 people that she just met standing in front of her. Once we found out the pictures were us, I noticed that all 3 of our photos had the same faces and there were no smiles, maybe because she was intimidated of us. And then also all the eyes are the same basic shape and there's no detail in the pictures.
And as you can see, there's no definition of a body, arms, head, etc. But it was clear she was drawing a person in the way that she interpreted it. The large blotches under the eyes seem to be our bodies, but it's clear that there was no arms or legs. And in Anthony's picture, the blotches above the eyes was his hat, even though it's clear that it doesn't look like a hat, but in her mind it was. Even though there's no detail, in her mind she knew she was drawing a body and a hat. She kept asking for paper, and when she was done, she handed the drawings to each specific person with their corresponding picture. She said her favorite color was purple, but she started with green. Anthony's picture had the most quote-unquote detail, and his drawing was in purple. So maybe color choice depends on the outcome of the effort the child puts into it.